Hi guys, this is Larrissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you are here. Well, I'm excited to share with you my happy mail from Notiq. And so let's go ahead and open this. Yeah, I'm so excited. Woohoo! Yes, I love it. I'm all about presentations. So, just the way that they have, again, I've seen their unboxings on other channels, and now I get to join the ranks of having a Notiq unboxing with the pretty wrapping that does not want to be torn open, but here we go. Yeah, so how did they do this? Wow. Okay. Because I'm known as the gift wrapper in my household, so maybe there's some techniques I can learn here. Okay, come on, don't tear. Almost. Yay, I did it. Woohoo! I got a personal note, and she spelled my name right. Thank you very much for ordering the new Notiq planner cover, which I did. I can't begin to describe how much your support and trust means to me. Enjoy your new cover and please tag me when you take photos. I appreciate you warmly. Yay, thank you. Okay, so I did. I ordered the Ella Rose Classic Grand Blush Notebook Planner cover. And I do have a link down below as well as a code that you can utilize to save off of your purchase. So please use my code down below. And yeah, so let's open this up. Ooh, this is the duster. So the one that I got, I believe, came with, because it was a new release, it came with a number of different items. So this is the duster, where if I want to store it or protect it as I travel, I could put this in there. Oh, it's beautiful. Ooh. Oh, wow. I got the pen because I know that some of the items were why supplies last. So I was able to get this beautiful pen. It is a gold, and I love the gold because it's a warm kind of gold. I love it. I don't know if it's because I have it against here, but I almost want to say it's like almost going into a rose gold, but without being a rose gold. And the metal is beautiful on here. It has a lot of weight to it. I mean, this is heavy, y'all. Oh, this is beautiful. Now I feel very executive with this. This feels like an executive pen, okay? And so this is what it came in, but it already came out. So that's cute. And then let me move this stuff out of the way. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I love this. And so this is just me getting my adultish on even more so. And so this talks about Notiq. Accessories are handmade and constructed with luxe materials from fine qualities. quality. Any imperfection or irregularities are a result of natural handling and condition. To extend the life of your lovely accessory, please clean gently with a soft, non-abrasive cloth. We recommend a delicate treatment and care against color transfers from other items. And even the card is cute. Okay. And then this, what's with the Q? Okay, so it's a brand. So with this, I get this beautiful clip, paper clip. Let's see, I'll just leave it on there, but it's a beautiful paper clip. Very regal. I never had a paper clip like this. I love it. I'll have to figure out how to use it properly though. But that's cute. Love that. Minimum is the new sophistication. Simplicity is the new art. Elegance is the new modern. Notiq.com. And then here is the cover itself. And so I decided to go for this one because I already have a lot of planners. And so I want to use what I have. And my goal is to eventually customize more and more of my planners based on my creativity and needs. And so I wanted to be able to get a Notiq, but use it with what I have. And this was like right on point. And so with this particular cover, it is classic size. And so it can fit a number of different planners and notebooks. But let's go over first the cover itself. So this is very flat. Got lotion on my hand. Very flat, where some covers are very bulky. This has a softness to it. I have other covers that are very hard. They're bulky and so forth. So I like that this will probably lay flat up against whatever planner that I use, with in mind like spirals or rings or so forth. Here's the back side. Very elegant. And I could probably put like a regular notebook in here if I want to, but I plan to use it for my planners. And so you get 2 side pockets. You get additional side pocket here. And then you have the secretary pockets. I think that's what it's called. So this is really nice because you could decorate this really well. You also have this one here with the scallop edge, and then you have like your card holders, which I truly love. And so if I wanted to decorate this, I could, but I have ample room to put my notepads and pen accessories and whatever else I wanted to stick in here. So I love this. Let's look at the planners. And so this can hold a happy planner, as you can see. It's a classic size happy planner, and all I have to do is just slide it in, and voila, close it, and it fits pretty well. Look at that. It's not bulky. So I love this because this could fit in your briefcase or your tote bag or even your backpack if you want it. And it doesn't seem like there's an issue at all with the rings. I could probably even put my extenders in here if I really wanted to, because there's ample room. Okay, so what about your spirals? So I have here a traditional spiral planner. Fits fine to me. Very nice. This is thicker than my happy planner. And there's plenty of room. I even have still a lot of room with the band here. So how professional is this? When I go into meetings or have meetings with myself, planning meetings, I can feel professional. I can look professional and sophisticated. I can just feel great. So I really like this. This is beautiful, you guys. So that is the Notiq Ella Rose Classic Grand Blush Safanano Notebook Planner cover. And it could fit a number of items, including your planners that are ring bound or spiral bound. So I'm just excited to use this. I hope you enjoy this unboxing. And please check her website out, notiq.com. And I do have my discount code down below to save on your first purchase. Thank you so much for joining me. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your notification bell. And until the next time, bye-bye.